When ordering on the official website, use the discount code maxiecu.eu to get a 5% discount and contribute to the development of this channel. Hello! In this video, we will focus on deactivating the TPMS module, which is responsible for monitoring tire pressure. This procedure will allow us to avoid error messages related to tire pressure monitoring when switching to wheels without sensors, or in cases where the module encounters issues. Of course, the entire process is reversible at any time. First, it's important to note that vehicles from the FCA group manufactured after 2017 may be equipped with a security gateway module. In such cases, a bypass device must be used to circumvent this security feature. maxiecu offers a dedicated adapter, which is currently the most advanced and safest solution available. This adapter can be installed permanently while maintaining full vehicle functionality and diagnostics through the standard OBD2 port without triggering any errors on the dashboard. More details about this adapter can be found in the product descriptions linked in the video description. The procedure can also be performed using basic bypass devices available on the market. However, these devices may generate faults and often completely disable the security gateway module, which can impact certain procedures. Additionally, these solutions are not typically suitable for permanent installation in the vehicle. Let's proceed with the step-by-step guide. As you can see, when the ignition is turned on, the vehicle currently displays an error related to the tire pressure module. After installing the bypass device, we open maxiecu and connect to the BCM, body control module. Once connected, navigate to the Coding tab and look for the TPMS option among the available settings. Read the current configuration, adjust it as needed. In this case, we deactivate the TPMS and click Save. Now, after turning the ignition off and on again, the vehicle may become uncalibrated, and additional warning lights may appear on the instrument cluster. Many control modules will indicate a configuration error, as seen in the example brake module. To resolve these issues, it is necessary to perform a proxy alignment. Return to the body control module and select the adaptation section. Then, initiate the proxy alignment procedure. This procedure may take anywhere from a minute to several minutes, depending on the number of control modules and changes made. During the process, the vehicle will activate various modules, accompanied by notification sounds. Once the alignment is complete, verify if the error in the example brake module has disappeared. If everything looks correct, turn the ignition off and then on again. That's it. As shown in the video, the TPMS module message is no longer displayed, and no other calibration-related errors are reported by the control modules. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.